Hi, this is Red Pixels Studio. My name is Raushan Singh. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create paper cut style text in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video tutorial, please like this video, and if you are not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe. Here I am creating a new document. You can take any size, but my recommendation is 1920 by 1080 pixels for better high definition landscape size. As of now, default background color is white. I am changing this to something light gray gradient. On layer style, applying bevel and emboss with some texture in background. Now it's time to type some letters and keeping this to center of my canvas. Select text layer and make its duplicate twice, or you can hit Ctrl J twice to duplicate layer also. Now select bottom text layer and go to layer style, blending options, and apply some inner shadow. Hit OK. Select both top layers, right click and rasterize type. Now dragging a guideline middle of my text. Select upper text area with the rectangular marquee tool. Selecting second layer and hit delete or cut from edit menu. Now select bottom area and delete from first text layer. Now our text has been distributed half on top layer and second half on bottom layer. Select top layer, transform it, and then right click and choose skew option from drop down. Drag and skew it little right side, hit enter then. Similarly, select bottom text and do this again. Now selecting top layer and lock its transparent pixels so that I can apply gradient on text area only. On bottom layer, also apply same gradient so that it looks more realistic. Selecting both top and bottom layers and make its duplicate again. Fill solid black color on copied layers. Be sure to check transparent pixels lock on. Drag both black layers below main text layer. Skew again both the black fill layers. And once you're done with the skew option, set its layer blending mode to soft light. And then apply Gaussian blur on both the layers. Now our paper cut style text ready. You can also apply some background bevel and emboss layer style on top of both layers. That's it from this video tutorial. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video.